Hey, Dan Digler, I ain't no April Fool. So yesterday, I was sharing about good data in, good data out, making sure you take time to set up what your entire data tracking strategy is before you get started. And one thing that I forgot to talk about was about getting lost in the data. So let's say you've already done your campaign, or you're midway through it, you're midstream, and you're going in to analyze what's going on. And I've been there and have lost hours of time going through Google Analytics or even my Kissmetrics, like just hours, just exploring. I just get real curious, and then one thing leads to the next, and before you know it, you've lost all this time in your day. So that instead of making changes, for the better, you're sitting there wondering, what did I just learn about my customers? And I mean, there's so much data in there. Hell, you might be able to know what pants they're wearing that day. I mean, it's crazy what you can see within Google Analytics about your entire market, what their interests are, their age, their gender, demographics. You can see the progression through your website and understand, what's working, what's not. But at the same time, I mean, with that much data, I mean, you can lose focus as to what's important. And so my one tip for you today is, as you're getting into analytics, setting it up on your website and using UTM codes and tracking what's going on, when you go into Google Analytics, I really want to ask you to have a question in mind before you go looking. When you have that question in mind, you know where you have to go. You're focused. You don't get distracted by all the other things. And if there are other questions that pop up, just write those down. You don't have to go looking for them immediately this second. Answer the one question at a time that you have and see what new questions does that bring up. And then take a look at what data is it that I need to go find that helps me answer those other questions. So with all this data, sure, it's amazing what you can know. It's amazing what it says. It might help you come up with new products or better marketing campaigns, but you can also get lost in it. And so having a real clear view of what you want to find is super important, and do that before you go looking. That's my tip for you today. If you've been enjoying my videos and you don't want to miss another one, hit that subscribe button and make sure you get alerted. You can also get some extra insight from me in my emails. Not only do I include my videos, but I also give some extra in there for subscribers. You can go to dandigler.com to subscribe and learn more. Link is down below as well. So I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for joining me on this I Ain't No April Fool 30-Day Marketing Challenge.